This video tutorial I will cover get method of OffsetTime class which accept temporal field. Here I have defined a class OffsetTime demo. I am running this program in debug mode. Here I have created OffsetTime object. Then I am calling get method of OffsetTime object and passing temporal field as hour of day. So it will return hour. Then I am calling get method and this time I am passing temporal field as minute of hour. So it will return minute. Then I am calling get method and passing temporal field as second of minute. So it will return seconds.